Okay, so here's our model river. We have a pump on this end making the water go around and around. We have a wide yellow section, and then we have a wide or less wide green section, and then a rather narrow red section. So step number one is to find the length of this yellow section. So I line up the 0 mark there, and you can read the black line here to the nearest centimeter, and then the width to the nearest centimeter. Okay, now I'm going to put a bunch of red pepper flakes down the stream, and you're going to pick out one or two that are floating at a nice consistent speed and time it to go from here to there. I'm going to put down a bunch of flakes. You're going to find one that floats at a nice steady speed all the way across and find the time of that. Okay, replay that section of the video over and over. Find one of the flakes that moves at a nice steady speed from one end to the other and find the time of that. Okay, and then you're going to find the average speed by dividing the distance divided by time. Now let's go on and do the same thing with the green section. The green section, line up the 0 there at one end, you read the length over here to the nearest centimeter, and then the width of it to the nearest centimeter. And again, I'm going to put down lots of flakes. You pick out one of the flakes that goes at a nice steady speed from one end to the other and find the time of that. Replay this section of the video over and over until you find a good flake to use and find the time from one end of the green to the other. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the red. Red section, put down the 0 at one end, read the length to the black line to the nearest centimeter, and now the width. And again, we're going to find the time for one of the flakes. Figure out one of the flakes that goes at a nice steady speed between the two black lines. Replay it over and over until you find that one flake, and then find the time for the flake to go from one end to the other. Okay, you should now be able to answer all the questions in the Schoology.